The police high command is keeping a close watch on Western Jamaica following several murders and shootings over the weekend. 7 persons were shot, 6 fatally by gunmen in St. James and Westmoreland. A student at the University of Technology and a 16-year-old student of Mushet High were among the victims. A Canadian visitor was also shot and is in critical condition. Acting Police Commissioner Novlet Grant and members of the high command toured Western Jamaica yesterday to meet with divisional commanders to discuss crime prevention plans.
So the police in Western Jamaica, they continue to be in the communities on the ground, engaging with people on the ground, and continue to pursue the persons against whom they have cases for arrest, and continue to pursue persons of interest who they need to continue their investigation. We're not letting up, and they get support not just from the various divisions in Western Jamaica, but they get support from Kingston, and we're not just using law enforcement approaches.